welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video is going to be part 3, and I promise you the final part of my choreography. So I was watching back part 2, and at the start I said that I'd kind of be doing the rest of the stuff, but by the end I was so hot and tired that I didn't go back and change anything that I wanted to change, which I said I'd do in that video, but I didn't end up doing it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I also need to choreograph a bit that I said I'd just improv it, and every time it looks terrible. And I'm just going to be showing you how I'm going to go back and change some bits that I want to change. So I'll put my hair up in a second, but what I'm going to do first is I'm going to quickly watch back the video that I did. Actually, I'll watch back the video, but I'll also then do it with the music. And do it again just so it's in my head and I remember it, and then I'll come back once I'm ready to change some bits. Okay, so I just went over the dance, kind of think about what I want to keep and what I want to change, and I'm sort of ready. And so I'm just going to go through the dance, and then anything I want to change will just come with you. To change, I'll probably do it for like the first verse of the chorus, whatever I want to change. And I'm in socks today because last time I got a massive blister on my big toes, but I'm going to slip, so I might just take one of my socks off that I don't turn with it, because they're quite slippy. But so I like this start, so and then I want to just swing it through, like put it down, but I need to remember to attitude it and bend my leg as well. So bend properly, like actually balance it, so curve with the knees. I thought you were kidding. I like that bit, I'm joking all the time. You get breathing but stop living. Like pull, and I think I want to do the other arm, because in this one, when I do that, it's not really that noticeable. So if I try the other arm, would that be a bit better? You get breathing but stop living. You like pull these in, so yeah. It seems to fit a bit more inside. That's so good on the floor. So anything. Inside. I say everything happens for a reason. Maybe just bring it in first before going round for that bit, because it seems to flow a bit more. And then I like this bit. Leave them. And it's this bit. Okay. Leave them before. Believe them. Maybe like a little fan kick on the floor, so end up facing that way. Something like that. And then I'm thinking, unless fan kick here, maybe. And then brings her, and I want to actually arch my back down. That, or like a buck. I'm thinking more of a buck, but try and get it as far as possible. That, like that. Let's try with the music. You called with the news, I thought you were kidding. You're always everything you believe on, but nothing breaks her back. It's hard to know why she. Yeah, that's better, but I can tell that this sock is going to annoy me all day, so it's going off. I think the blister has gone. Yeah, it's gone. So I'm now going to do kind of the rest of it, and then I'll come back once I've changed it up. Okay, so our dance is done now. I'll show you the bits that I've changed whilst running through it. I'll do it with the music a couple of times, and then I'll do it full out with my camera down there. So, here's your time. You hit breathing, that looks like moving. Had it like poison. Right now. You so through, over, in, then round. You mud, and then rhythm, fan kick, seat roll, book, and then it's hard to know, and then coupe, up, out, but I think she did, down, round, legs on fire, here, once she's left, hot step, and then around, never look down, when walk the walkie like she made it to 48, still made your birthday cake, oh, this is something else. So she just went to the store. So the same, make you miss her more. Win or lose, so win or lose, she's always on the side. Never missed that. When you see the moon, you remember. So she's there and back. It's hard to know what she would say, but I think she'd live the world's on fire. Then love like hearts don't break. Hearts don't break. Then live it down. Oh, like she made it. It's 47. Your birthday cake. You want sugar. So whatever. Dun dun. And dun. Push. Dun. Dun. Up. But I think she's at the bottom. Fire. Shove. I think everything's the same from here. And you rock the wire, smooth it, and then on the floor. So I'll do that with the music a couple of times, and then here is the finished result. on fire. Want your love like hearts don't break. Never down when you walk the wire, like she made it. She made it. Oh, want you to live like the world's on fire. Want your love like hearts don't break. Never down when you walk the wire, like she made it for me. So make your birthday cake. Okay, so that's the end of birthday cake, which has been over 3 videos, so it's quite crazy. I wouldn't say that's one of the best times I've done it. There were some wobbly bits and stuff, but I think overall it was quite good. And so that is what I promise you, all for birthday cake. And I'll probably do maybe jazz next with a series, or street if it cools down a bit, which I don't think it is. But that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!